Hello guys, Rob here. Got a real quick one for you here in this one. Everipedia is giving away 2,500 IQ tokens, which is equal to about 1.5 EOS for taking a quick survey. I believe it was 15 questions long. Just click yes or no answers and a couple multiple choice. It says here a 5-minute survey. It took me less than a minute to do, so less than a minute for 1.5 EOS worth 2,500 IQ tokens. Not bad. So I'll leave the link to this down in the description. If you got a minute, trust me, it's not going to take more than that. Go ahead and fill it out, and at the end of the survey you just put in your EOS account and they'll send you over 2,500 IQ tokens. So just wanted to share that one with you guys here, and that's pretty much it for this one. Just wanted to make you guys aware to all the subscribers and viewers of the channel. Are you on Telos yet? The Telos EOS.io blockchain is currently running at 0% inflation and paying out hefty REX returns thanks to the extra 1 million TLOS per month being sent to REX stakers. The Telos development team has been making many improvements over the base EOS code, including the new Trail 2.0 voting and sentiment tokens, both upcoming to Telos. If you want to learn more about Telos, how to get your free account here, and how to Rex your Telos for those great Rex returns using both Squirrel Wallet and Scatter, linked here and here. I'll leave a link in the description to this page. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. That's it from me. I'll see you guys in the next one.